Hello everyone, my name is Sanjana from first year CSBS department. Name of the product is Table and Chase. Mentor name is Dr. Prasad P. My startup company name is Java House. Here is my logo. Feedbacks collecting during empathy. Mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, noise reducing furnitures. Second one, should be sustainable and eco-friendly material. Third one, space saving sofas and armchairs. Fourth one, automatic chairs. Define and ideate. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. Features to be added: smart technology and adjustable seating. Futuristic product name: smart table, smart seats. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.